Welcome to BMart, India's first proximity-based shopping app. In this video, we would like to present the following sections of our customer app. Let's start with registration. This section requires you to fill in your personal details and log into the app. The homepage contains a list of categories, featured products and shops. Here, you can find all the hot deals and offers that BMart provides. The bottom navigation bar contains quick access to home, categories, search, shops near you, and your account. Categories. This section gives you a comprehensive list of all the categories that are available on BMart. Each category is divided into relevant subcategories. The Search tab can be used to search for specific shops or products. The Shop Near Me tab gives you a list of all the shops near you based on your chosen location. My Account tab will contain personal information and order history. Let's move on to Side Menu. This contains crucial information about your orders, account details, your wish list, etc. BMart gives you three options to search for a product, namely search by product name, search by shop name, or search by specific category. Shop by category. In this section of the homepage, you can search for shops of a particular category. Moving on to product page. In this page, you will find all the details of your product including multiple pictures, price, specifications, and reviews of the product. A special BMart feature is the shop details on the product page, which gives you the distance of the shop from your location and an option to visit the store page to know more details about the store. Shop page. The overview will give you detailed information of the shop including delivery speed and a list of all the products available in that shop. By clicking on the Shop Details tab, you will get contact information of the shop and a map pointing to the exact location of the shop. Checkout. The checkout page contains options for home delivery or pickup at store. It also provides a list of the products and the quantities of each product. It also contains the total amount to be paid. A unique feature that is available only on BMart is the option to check out from multiple stores at one go. You can choose to pay through multiple payment options. After successful completion of the payment, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen. Now you can check your order details by going into your account section. Here, you can view your order details such as order ID, payment mode, booking date, and type of delivery for each product. You can track your order by clicking on Order Details tab. This completes our presentation of the BMart app. Thank you for choosing BMart. Happy shopping!